The ideal layout of this well-appointed home will welcome you with open arms. It's hard to narrow down what the best features of this home are because there are a multitude. Just a summary of the outstanding features offered in this property are an open 2-story great room, an island kitchen, main floor primary suite, 3-car garage, and a fenced backyard. The main level offers a spacious great room with a gas fireplace. The beautifully outfitted kitchen provides plenty of prep and storage space, a pantry, a large island with bar seating. Enjoy a nice dinner at home from the dining area adjacent to the kitchen. And there's a sliding door with convenient access to the covered patio as well as a brick paver patio. The primary suite has a great-sized bedroom detailed with a tray ceiling and an ensuite bathroom with the comfort height vanity and walk-in closet that will meet all your storage needs. The second and third bedrooms, along with the loft, can be found in the upper level, along with an additional full bathroom. There's also been many recent updates to this home, including a new kitchen backsplash with LED lighting, added can lights in the master bedroom and bathroom, and a closet organizer. LED shop lights, more outlets, and an independent switch in the third garage, making it ready for your new workbench. There are truly too many great features to name in this lovely home. You should see it for yourself. Call Katie Brown for a personal tour exploring all this property has to offer.